Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Deco M5 whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. The TP-Link Deco M5 is a whole home mesh Wi-Fi system that provides fast and stable internet in every corner of your home. It replaces your old router and extender with a single, seamless network using multiple Deco units. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, we will unbox the TP-Link Deco M5 box. Inside the box of the TP-Link Deco M5 system, whether it's a 1, 2, or 3 pack, you'll find the Deco units themselves, a single RJ45 Ethernet cable, power adapters for each Deco, and a quick installation guide. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for TP-Link Deco and install the app. Open the app once installed. Open the app and sign in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have one, tap Sign Up, enter your email and password, and verify your account. Unplug your modem and wait for about 2 minutes. This clears any previous connection. Plug your modem back in and wait until it's fully powered on. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the modem to one Deco unit's one port, bottom of the Deco. Plug the Deco unit into a power source using the adapter. Wait for the LED light on the Deco to pulse blue, this means it's ready for setup. Open the Deco app and tap Let's Begin. Select your Deco model, choose Deco M5. The app will now guide you to confirm the connection type, detect your main Deco, set up your Wi-Fi network name and password, choose your Deco's location, e.g., living room, bedroom. Enter a custom Wi-Fi name, SSID, and secure password. Tap Next to create the wireless network. Your Deco will configure this automatically. Once the main unit is set up, tap Add another Deco in the app. Place the second Deco halfway between the main Deco and the area with weak signal. Plug it into power. Wait for its LED to pulse blue, then follow the app instructions. Repeat for any additional Deco units. After setup, the app may prompt you to update the firmware for better performance and security. Tap Update and wait for it to complete. The Deco may restart during this. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.